This video tutorial I will explain stream method of arrays class which accept long array. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the long array. Then I am calling stream method of arrays class and passing long array. This method returns long stream and it contains these elements. Then using for each method of long stream, I am displaying all the elements. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.